Oh, that's a freight train hit right there, buddy. Freight train. Oh yes. Nice, nice. Wow, that's awesome. That's exactly what I'm going for here, guys. That is precisely the kind of fish oh, and he is out of there right there. That was awesome. Oh, that's a fish on, guys. That's a fish. Yes, indeed. Oh, this rod makes it really, really, really fun. Oh, man, makes it, oh, nice. First fish of the day. It's a pretty one too. Man, that thing hit like a freight train. I know. Look at that. Right there, guys. Pretty fish. Look, it just spit on me.